Well, Happy New Year's. So this is the first video of 2023. What's up? What's up, bro? First video of 2023. We're chilling. Today we're gonna be doing some LED installations. Trying to get an interior upgrade on the Camaro. Seeing how it's gonna be. Seeing what we're gonna do. And you get in there, it's a halogen bulb. Nothing, especially when you got tent at night, it is extremely dark inside. You kick on the light and it's just extremely disappointing. If you're like me, you like having double limo, which, 5% on 5% or whatever the hell it is. I know what it is, I guess. But see about doing a review on some Amazon specials. I don't know what they are, but I got them for Christmas, actually. So it's giving me the opportunity to see what they're gonna be like and seeing how it's actually gonna be. So of course, you go through it. I know in the Camaro, I believe it's only one light. Yeah, one light, which is being your map dome light, I guess it is. But other than that, let's get into it. I'll see y'all in the car.
So previously, as I was stating about the LEDs, I believe y'all had seen me talk about these being the LEDs that I did install, and I messed up. They were amber. All right. So literally, a few hours later, I have the white ones. I mean, I got them shipped. Amazon is like day or like less than a day now or whatever. It's a couple hours. So, and I filmed that this morning, but y'all won't see that because the video of it itself was pretty ass because how blurry it was and how bright it was outside. But now I can give y'all a good comparison of how it actually is in representation, and I'll show y'all that right now. As you see in the before video, or the little clip that I shot, going through, it's a halogen bulb. It's luminescent. It gets hot, things like that. Now with us switching to the LED, being these, we're gonna be able to be a lot brighter, and it won't be as hot, and it'll burn a lot cleaner. So with the Camaro, all you need, turn down this little bit, all you need is a panel popping tool or a screwdriver, but best spot, you can stick it right here in the corner. Literally just stick it up in there. Gotta pop it off a little bit more. I just don't want it to fall. So do this with one hand. Let's go ahead and get you out. So this, it has 4 tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, locking on the front. I pop it from here just to make it easy, and it's one little bulb. I'll go ahead and I will pull out the bulb, which being, seriously, turn it off. It's getting a little bit dark. That bulb is hot, unfortunately. Of course, they get extremely hot, so let me get back to on its cool down. All right, let's see. So the bulb being right there, you come up, literally just wiggle it, it comes out. Here's your halogen bulb. And here you go. Let's go ahead and compare it next to the LED, your halogen, and there's your LED. They're being exactly the same. The actual connectors are just about the same. They're not exactly, of course, because this one has LEDs and, all types of stuff that it has to make it run. But let's get this thrown in here and see what the difference is. Seeing all you see is it actually clips in, just that little push. So you just go in there, you just give her a nice little push. And once she's in there, make sure it's all pushed up all nice and straight. And you can turn it on. Let's give it a little click. That's so much brighter. You could already see the difference, how much brighter it is. So when you're done, just go ahead and get your little plate. Make sure to push her all back into place. It's so much better, so much brighter in here. But this being, you don't have, this is not just this vehicle. This goes on to the list of mini vehicles. That being, you know, any type of car that has an interior light. This is being the map dome light. If you have cars that, you know, have the interior light on the doors, like my truck over there, that Silverado actually has the ones on the doors. And of course I have a back one, the front two, and those are extremely easy to change. Being exactly the same thing, which that truck actually has LEDs inside of it, but it has like a old school LED. The way it is was like 4 or 5 years ago when I put it in. You know, they have so much more technology, and the way it's actually, you know, it actually works, I guess you could say, the way it actually is. But that being said, I'll probably have to make sure another set of these get in the truck. And this is so much cooler. This is not even hot at all. But with that being said, I'll get a little bit of an after shot just to show y'all. And firework. Y'all can see how it is and actually how it looks, the difference. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed, and we get that shot for y'all. But with that being said, for the 2011 Camaro, probably the Gen 5s all the way around. Easy to replace. You need one tool. I mean, some vehicles need maybe a couple other tools. I don't know how, you know, a lot of vehicles are, but I know for the Silverado, it needs one tool also, which being a panel popping tool. But with that being said, other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope, you know, y'all are willing to go on there and pick up a set of these. I mean, they're literally, it was like $11 for the whole set. And shout out to this company here. Extremely good. I actually like it. It's going to go in my other vehicle. But other than that, until then, I'll catch y'all next time. I got some other things coming in the works. Happy New Year's again to everybody that's out there. You know, Merry Christmas. I messed that off, so. But I've got side marker lights I'm gonna review. I've got reverse lights I'm gonna review for the car. That being, they're just like the little square reverse lights. So I'm gonna review those two and see how they are. But other than that, until next time, catch y'all later. Peace out.